Hello my people, una well done o. Una welcome back to another new video with Lady p.Naija TV. So my people, today I wan cook ogbono soup, very sweet one. Now the things when I want to cook am na in dey here. So this one are the meat when I want use. Now the palm oil when I go dey use be that. This one are my shaki. Now the stockfish when I want use be this. Now the maggi cube be this. This one now the cow leg. I don't boil am. I control where the bone wey dey inside. So now the okra when I want use now it be this. This one are the ogbono. So this one are the dry pumpkin leaf. Now my crayfish when I blend be this. This one are the jumbo powder. Now this one I want to boil the meat where go give a good taste. So now my dry fish be this. Now me dry this one by myself. Now my pepper also be this. Now the things when I want to cook this food, this sweet ogbono soup, now in the here. So say may una wash me as I dey cook am now. I love una well well. So now I don't put the meat for inside pot. Now I go put my jumbo powder. Now I go take boil. So now I go put my onions. Now the salt be this. So now I'll come cover am. I go first turn am. Then I'll come cover and make everything done inside small. So now I want to check the meat. Now the meat be this. I go still let them done small before I go put water. I go just dey put everything one by one. If it don't done small now, I go put the cow leg join am. So now I go just put the shaki now. Make everything they done together. I go just they put all one by one. Now I go put water on top. I go just cover and now make it they done. I go come back. So now I want to check on my meat. So I still leave and make it they done. Never do finish. So also I just soak my stockfish now, make it a soak. I use hot water to soak and make it a soak. So now guys, I will be adding my I want to add my cow leg now. I'll just add all of them one by one. So I just put on now. I go still cover and small. So I just put my stockfish now. So now I go put my pepper. And the pepper be this. So I go dey put my crayfish too. I just put my pepper and crayfish. So now I go put 2 maggi inside now. So everything don dey inside. I just put my maggi, put the pepper and the crayfish. So now I go come put water. So I don't put water now. I go just turn am. I go cover am again. Make everything done before I come mix the ogbono inside. So now I want check on the meat again. So now the meat be this. It don't cook well. Like 10 minutes time now, I'll come mix the ogbono inside. So at the same time now my ogbono be this. So I go just turn the oil now inside the ogbono, mix am down before I go turn am inside my meat. So now I don't mix the ogbono down now. I'll come put am now inside the soup. So time for me to put my ogbono. I want to mix my ogbono inside now. So I just turn the ogbono inside now. So now I'll just add the okra now inside now. So I just put my okra now. Just going to mix them together. So I still dey mix them now. Go mix them well. So my soup done almost ready. I just mix and finish now. So now I want to put my dry fish now. So I just put my dry fish inside. So I want to put my pumpkin leaf now. I just put my pumpkin leaf now. So I go just the turn am now. Make everything mix together. Wow. See the way this my ogbono dey draw. I love it. Oh my God. This is our favorite food in this house. Ogbono. Oh my God. See the way they draw. Wow. So I just leave and small. So my people, my soup don ready oh. Everything don dey okay. I don prepare am. Okay, abeg, if you never subscribe for me before, if today na be first time wey you dey watch my video, abeg make you subscribe for your girl. Subscribe for me to support me. Okay, help me to share, give people, make dem dey watch me. Okay. So guys, this is the outcome of my ogbono soup. E don ready oh. This ogbono sweet well well, very sweet. Una do well as una dey follow me come dey watch am since. God Almighty go bless una for me oh, for the love and support wey una dey support me for this my channel. If not be una, who be Lady P? God Almighty go bless una for me. Una too much. I give una 20 gboza wey una take dey support me. Abeg, make una dey like my video, make una still dey share give friends, share give family, make dem help me dey watch, make dem take dey support me, take dey grow my channel. God go bless una.